Hello, friends. Welcome back to the Speak Fluent English channel. Today, we are going to learn 50 common regular verbs in English. Regular verbs are very easy to learn because they follow a simple rule. To form the past tense, V2, and past participle, V3, we usually add ed or d to the base form, V1. These verbs are used every day in speaking, writing, reading, and listening, so this lesson will really help you improve your English fast. Let's begin.
Agree, agreed, agreed. Let's practice with sentences. I agree with you. I agreed with you. I have agreed with you. Appear, appeared, appeared. Let's practice with sentences. The man appears in the room. The man appeared in the room. The man has appeared in the room. Arrive, arrived, arrived. Let's practice with sentences. I arrive at school. I arrived at school. I have arrived at school. Ask, asked, asked. Let's practice with sentences. I ask a question. I asked a question. I have asked a question.
5. Bake, baked, baked. Let's practice with sentences. I bake a cake. I baked a cake. I have baked a cake. 6. Believe, believed, believed. Let's practice with sentences. I believe you. I believed you. I have believed you. 7. Call, called, called. Let's practice with sentences. I call my friend. I called my friend. I have called my friend. 8. Change, changed, changed. Let's practice with sentences. I change my clothes. I changed my clothes. I have changed my clothes. 9. Clean, cleaned, cleaned. Let's practice with sentences. I clean my room. I cleaned my room. I have cleaned my room. 10. Close, closed, closed. Let's practice with sentences. I close the door. I closed the door. I have closed the door. 11. Collect, collected, collected. Let's practice with sentences. I collect books. I collected books. I have collected books. 12. Compare, compared, compared. Let's practice with sentences. I compare the results. I compared the results. I have compared the results. 13. Correct, corrected, corrected. Let's practice with sentences. I correct the mistake. I corrected the mistake. I have corrected the mistake. 14. Dance, danced, danced. Let's practice with sentences. I dance at the party. I danced at the party. I have danced at the party. 15. Decide, decided, decided. Let's practice with sentences. I decide quickly. I decided quickly. I have decided quickly. 16. Describe, described, described. Let's practice with sentences. I describe the picture. I described the picture. I have described the picture. 17. Develop, developed, developed. Let's practice with sentences. I develop skills. I developed skills. I have developed skills. 18. Enjoy, enjoyed, enjoyed. Let's practice with sentences. I enjoy music. I enjoyed music. I have enjoyed music. 19. Explain, explained, explained. Let's practice with sentences. I explain the lesson. I explained the lesson. I have explained the lesson. 20. Finish, finished, finished. Let's practice with sentences. I finish my work. I finished my work. I have finished my work. 21. Follow, followed, followed. Let's practice with sentences. I follow the rules. I followed the rules. I have followed the rules. 22. Help, helped, helped. Let's practice with sentences. I help my friend. I helped my friend. I have helped my friend. 23. Hope, hoped, hoped. Let's practice with sentences. I hope for success. I hoped for success. I have hoped for success. 24. Imagine, imagined, imagined. Let's practice with sentences. I imagine a future. I imagined a future. I have imagined a future. 25. Invite, invited, invited. Let's practice with sentences. I invite my friend. I invited my friend. I have invited my friend. 26. Jump, jumped, jumped. Let's practice with sentences. I jump high. I jumped high. I have jumped high. 27. Listen, listened, listened. Let's practice with sentences. I listen to music. I listened to music. I have listened to music. 28. Look, looked, looked. Let's practice with sentences. I look at the sky. I looked at the sky. I have looked at the sky. 29. Love, loved, loved. Let's practice with sentences. I love my family. I loved my family. I have loved my family. 30. Manage, managed, managed. Let's practice with sentences. I manage my time. I managed my time. I have managed my time. 31. Move, moved, moved. Let's practice with sentences. I move quickly. I moved quickly. I have moved quickly. 32. Need, needed, needed. Let's practice with sentences. I need help. I needed help. I have needed help. 33. Open, opened, opened. Let's practice with sentences. I opened the door. I opened the door. I have opened the door. 34. Organize, organized, organized. Let's practice with sentences. I organize my desk. I organized my desk. I have organized my desk. 35. Pack, packed, packed. Let's practice with sentences. I pack my bag. I packed my bag. I have packed my bag. 36. Paint. Painted, painted. Let's practice with sentences. I paint a picture. I painted a picture. I have painted a picture. 37. Plan, planned, planned. Let's practice with sentences. I plan my day. I planned my day. I have planned my day. 38. Play, played, played. Let's practice with sentences. I play football. I played football. I have played football. 39. Prepare, prepared, prepared. Let's practice with sentences. I prepare my lesson. I prepared my lesson. I have prepared my lesson. 40. Print, printed, printed. Let's practice with sentences. I print the paper. I printed the paper. I have printed the paper. 41. Pull, pulled, pulled. Let's practice with sentences. I pull the door. I pulled the door. I have pulled the door. 42. Push, pushed, pushed. Let's practice with sentences. I push the table. I pushed the table. I have pushed the table. 43. Raise, raised, raised. Let's practice with sentences. I raise my hand. I raised my hand. I have raised my hand. 44. Realize, realized, realized. Let's practice with sentences. I realize the truth. I realized the truth. I have realized the truth. 45. Relax, relaxed, relaxed. Let's practice with sentences. I relax at home. I relaxed at home. I have relaxed at home. 46. Repair, repaired, repaired. Let's practice with sentences. I repair my car. I repaired my car. I have repaired my car. 47. Save, saved, saved. Let's practice with sentences. I save money. I saved money. 48. Share, shared, shared. Let's practice with sentences. I share my food. I shared my food. I have shared my food. 49. Smile, smiled, smiled. Let's practice with sentences. I smile at people. I smiled at people. I have smiled at people. 50. Watch, watched, watched. Let's practice with sentences. I watch TV. I watched TV. I have watched TV. Thank you for watching this lesson from the Speak Fluent English channel.